$2.3 disappeared first brands in crisis. Blindsided by a $2.3 billion vanishing, what really happened inside first brands collapse? $2.3 missing, flagged by creditor Raistone. First Brands, a major auto parts supplier, filed for bankruptcy this September. It blamed massive liabilities and complex hidden financing. But now a creditor says $2.3 billion in assets have vanished, assets that should have been on the books. Segregated accounts. $0 reported. Raistone, a creditor, alleges First Brands sold invoices, factoring, improperly and never remitted over $1.9 billion. When pressed, First Brands lawyers admitted they weren't sure if those funds ever arrived, and the segregated accounts now hold zero. UBS evaluating $500 million plus risk. The fallout is massive. Jefferies disclosed $715 million exposure tied to receivables. UBS has over $500 million at risk. These are major players now caught in a web of financial fallout. Creditor demands third-party probe. Creditors demand independent oversight. They say the internal committee is compromised. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Justice has opened a preliminary inquiry into the collapse. Regulators now watch closely. Private credit under pressure. This isn't just a company failure. It's a red flag for the entire private credit space, where hidden liabilities and aggressive financing are growing norms. If one cracks, many could follow. Examiner to be appointed? Watch for appointment of an independent examiner, court rulings, forensic accounting reports, and whether any executives face charges. Also track how exposed banks and funds recover. Don't trust unchecked books. You should never trust a company's balance sheet at face value. Always ask, where's the cash? Are internal transfers transparent? Don't fall for hype, demand clarity. Did $2.3 billion vanish, fraud, or fail? What do you think? Did First Brands cook the books, or was this a breakdown of oversight? Comment below. Let's talk about protecting your investments. Warning: hidden risk kills portfolios. First Brands collapse is a warning to investors everywhere. Hidden liabilities, opaque accounting, and regulatory gaps, they're a recipe for disaster. You always must dig deeper, not follow the surface story. Subscribe for deeper insight. If you want financial analysis that guards you from market traps, subscribe and join us for news of smart money, better life. Follow my channel for insights others gloss over. Stay wise, stay safe.